Welcome to Ephesus. In the vast and diverse animal kingdom, not all creatures are giants. Some are so small that you might miss them even if they're right in front of you. Today, we'll explore the top 17 smallest animals in the world, each unique in its own way. Let's discover these tiny wonders of nature and their fascinating characteristics. 1. The smallest treehopper in the world. We begin with a tiny insect that could easily be mistaken for part of a plant. A species of treehopper has evolved a fascinating appendage on its head that looks like a thorn or twig. This clever adaptation serves as camouflage, tricking predators into thinking it's just another part of the tree. Treehoppers are found in tropical forests worldwide, where their small size and plant-mimicking appearance keep them safe from birds and other predators. They're also important pollinators, helping plants reproduce while sipping on their sap. 2. The smallest monkey in the world. Pygmy marmoset. Meet the pygmy marmoset, the tiniest monkey in existence. Weighing about the same as a stick of butter, these adorable primates are native to South America's rainforests. Their tails are almost as long as their bodies, giving them excellent balance as they leap between branches. Did you know pygmy marmosets communicate with each other through high-pitched whistles and trills? Their ability to rotate their heads 180 degrees helps them keep an eye out for predators, even while clinging to a tree. Despite their small size, they are incredibly intelligent and social, living in tight-knit family groups. 3. The smallest dog in the world. Boo Boo. Among dogs, Boo Boo the Chihuahua takes the crown as the smallest of all. Standing just 4 inches tall, Boo Boo is smaller than most household items. Despite its tiny stature, this dog is full of energy and personality. Chihuahuas are known for their loyalty and bravery, often standing up to much larger animals. Boo Boo is a reminder that size doesn't define courage. 4. The smallest seahorse in the world. Denise's pygmy seahorse. Denise's pygmy seahorse, no bigger than your fingernail, is a master of disguise. These seahorses mimic the coral they live in so perfectly that even scientists have difficulty spotting them. Found in the waters of Indonesia and beyond, their tiny size helps them evade predators. They are monogamous and have a fascinating reproductive process. The males carry eggs in their pouches until they hatch. This unique role reversal makes them one of the most intriguing creatures in the marine world. 5. The smallest spider in the world. Patu digua spider. The Patu digua spider is so small it could sit on the tip of a pencil. Native to Colombia, this tiny arachnid builds webs to catch minuscule insects. While it might be small enough to go unnoticed, the Patu digua spider plays a big role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling insect populations in its habitat. 6. The smallest crocodile in the world. Cuvier's dwarf caiman. Cuvier's dwarf caiman is the smallest crocodilian species, growing to just 4 feet in length. Found in South America, this miniature crocodile prefers slow-moving streams and swamps. Despite their size, dwarf caimans are formidable hunters, using their sharp teeth to capture prey like fish and small mammals. Their tough, armored skin provides protection against predators, and they play a vital role in their ecosystem as both predator and prey. 7. The smallest rabbit in the world. Pygmy rabbit. At just 400 grams, the pygmy rabbit is the tiniest member of the rabbit family. Found in North America, they dig complex burrows in sagebrush-covered areas to escape predators. These rabbits are incredibly shy and rely on their small size to hide among dense vegetation. Fun fact, they're excellent jumpers, despite their tiny legs. 8. The smallest crab in the world. Yeti crab. Named after the mythical Yeti due to its hairy claws, the Yeti crab is a fascinating creature of the deep sea. These crabs thrive near hydrothermal vents, where temperatures can reach extremes. The hair on their claws isn't just for show. It houses bacteria that detoxify harmful chemicals in their environment. This symbiotic relationship helps them survive in one of the most hostile environments on Earth. 9. The smallest tortoise in the world. Speckled padloper tortoise. This tiny tortoise, native to South Africa, has a shell adorned with beautiful speckles that blend perfectly with its rocky surroundings. Females are slightly larger than males, but both are small enough to fit in your palm. These tortoises are herbivores, feeding on tiny plants and flowers. Their small size allows them to hide easily from predators, making them masters of survival. 10. The smallest chameleon in the world, Bruchisia micra. Found only in Madagascar, Bruchisia micra is so small it can comfortably perch on the head of a matchstick. These chameleons use their tiny size to their advantage, blending into the forest floor to avoid predators. Unfortunately, habitat loss threatens their existence, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts in Madagascar's unique ecosystems. 11. The smallest antelope in the world, royal antelope. The royal antelope is the smallest antelope, standing just 10 inches tall. These shy creatures are masters of speed, able to dart through dense forests with incredible agility. Their name might suggest grandeur, but they are gentle and elusive, making them a rare sight in the wild. 12. The smallest fish in the world, Paedocyprus. Measuring just 7.9 millimeters, the Paedocyprus fish is smaller than a grain of rice. Found in the swamps of Indonesia, these fish have adapted to survive in acidic water with very low oxygen levels. Despite their small size, they play a big role in their ecosystem, serving as food for larger fish and helping control plankton populations. 13. The smallest frog in the world, gold frog. The gold frog of Brazil measures just 10 millimeters, making it smaller than most coins. This tiny amphibian hides among leaf litter, where its size helps it avoid predators. Its bright coloration serves as a warning to predators about its toxicity, a common trait among small frogs. 14. The smallest bat in the world, Kitti's hog-nosed bat. Also known as the bumblebee bat, Kitti's hog-nosed bat weighs just 2 grams and is small enough to fit on a fingertip. These bats roost in limestone caves in Thailand and Myanmar, living in colonies that can range from 100 to 1,000 individuals. Despite their size, they are expert hunters, using echolocation to catch tiny insects. 15. The smallest bird in the world, bee hummingbird. The bee hummingbird, native to Cuba, is so small that it's often mistaken for an insect. Measuring just 5.7 centimeters, it flaps its wings 90 times per second, creating a humming sound that gives it its name. These tiny birds are vital pollinators, visiting hundreds of flowers daily to feed on nectar. 16. The smallest dolphin in the world, vaquita. The vaquita, also known as little cow in Spanish, is the smallest dolphin species. Growing up to 5 feet long, they are critically endangered, with fewer than 10 individuals remaining in the wild. Their plight is a sobering reminder of the impact humans have on marine ecosystems. 17. The smallest snake in the world. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FAC Thought.